y'all, and sometimes this does not work out the way you want it to. Oh my God, come on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm rocking a new hairstyle. It looks pretty dope. And today I'm going to be showing you how I install these. It's the Crochet Faux Locs, but I did them individually. And y'all, this was my first time ever doing this on my own. Every time I got my hair locked, I always paid somebody to do it because I just never had the time. And I felt like I wanted to try doing it on my own. So if you came to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off on dry washed hair. So I have my hair in this little ponytail. Just gonna take it out and those clips. Okay, so my hair is dry and needs some love. So today I'm going to be using two products from Raining Aloe, and they sent me two samples, and it's a black owned business, and I'm always going to support my black people, right? It's a black owned business, and I'm going to be using their moisturizing cream and their refreshing oil, and I heard it smells good, so we're gonna see. And she's actually on Instagram. Her name on Instagram I think is Pure Bae Locs or something like that. I'll link it down in the description, and you can go check her out. But we're gonna use this in my hair today, even though I'm not really putting locks in my hair, but you know, we're gonna see if this gonna moisturize this dry hair. Okay, and then of course we're gonna be using this, and it's Bae Locs from Bobbi Boss, and I got this off of Sam Beauty. I think it was, I got the shortest one, and the shortest length, 12 inches, and I think this was like $4.99 a pack, and I got myself 4 packs, and in each pack there's like 12 locks in here. Okay, I will also link this down in the description. Then the next thing I'm gonna use is obviously a crochet pin hook thingy. So I'll either use this one or this one, but whichever. And then I'm gonna be using elastics. I'm gonna be using elastics in this. Okay, so let's just get right into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm going to section up my hair, and it helps for me to like section my hair in like 4 so that I can work with it a lot better. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll get back to you. Okay. Okay, so my hair has been separated into 4 sections, 2 in the front, 1 up here, and 1 in the back. And I'm just gonna work my way all the way to the front. I'm gonna start with the back section. I'm going to moisturize my hair, and I'm going to separate the section into smaller sections, and then I'm going to braid my hair, and I'm gonna do that all the way to the front. So let's just get into moisturizing and see how this product is. Oh, y'all, this smells so good. I don't know what it reminds me of. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? I don't know. It kind of reminds me of incense, but it also reminds me of like, not potpourri, but you know, like sometimes that little dried leaves that you put in your bathroom and stuff to make like the bathroom smell really good. Like it smells, I don't know, like aromatherapy. oils. I don't know, but it smells really good. Okay, whoa, wow, y'all, it's like really soft and like melty. Whoa, y'all, it just melts in your hands. Wow. Okay, wow, like literally it melts like oil, but it looks like this. Wow. Okay, let's see how this plays out in my hair. This actually works for me right now. I don't know how it would feel on wet hair, but right now it feels like I just put like oil or like a little bit of grease or something like that in my hair. That's how it feels. Or like, you know, when you put your shea butter, like the shea butter mix in your hair, it kind of feels like that, but just not like that either. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and separate this out and braid it, and I will be right back once I'm done. Okay, so y'all, I've plaited or braided my hair, and like, I mean, it's not the best. Like, I tried to make it as even as possible. I did notice how hard it was to like separate your hair into straight lines and get even parts. Like, it's difficult, okay? But okay, so now that we have the plaits, we're gonna go ahead and put those in. Okay, so I'm going to use this to put these in, and when I get to the front, I will show you exactly how I do it. Okay, see you soon.
7 hours later.
Okay, y'all, so I have 2 more to do, and I will show you how I did all of these. Okay, so the first thing I do is I take a little gel, especially for the front. I didn't put gel in the back, but for my front, I put gel. And then I try to brush everything in. Then I take an elastic band. And as I said, I only do this part for the front of my hair. So the elastic band and the gel is only for the front of my hair, because I want the roots to be really tight at the front, especially at the front. So I put an elastic, and then take my hook, and then I get it through and under that elastic band. Okay, so it's open. And now I can take one of the braids or one of the locks, and I can hook it in there, close the hook, and get it through. Now once I get it through, I'm going to pass the rest of the lock through that hole right here. Okay, that opening, pass it through, and be careful with that. Once I'm done doing that, I tighten. So you make a knot right here. Okay, so you will lock your crochet pin, then you push it through the lock and then out of the lock. Then you hook in your braid and you lock in the braid, and then you pass the braid through the lock. like this. And you just keep on doing this until you hide the entire braid. So I'm just gonna speed this up. And done. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Y'all, this took really long. Like I think 5 or 6 hours, maybe even 7 hours. Y'all, this took really long because it took a while for me to get used to, like, in the rhythm of things, putting that hook up in my, and sometimes it just didn't work out. So it looks a lot easier on her video. It is not that easy, or maybe it's just the type of lock that I used on this, but I still love how it came out. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks. So this is what it looks like in the front, and this is what it looks like in the back. Okay, so y'all, I really loved how this came out, and I hope you love it too, and I hope you try it out. If you do, please let me know so we can, you know, start a conversation. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, then I hope you subscribe. That's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, and everything I used will be down in the description. Thank you.